Alright guys, so I made a amazing discovery with these boba milk tea mochi. You can probably use any mochi to do this, but I found out if you air fry them, they form a crispy, sugary crust on the outside, and then they're still chewy. Just keep in mind that the sugary crust will get stuck in your teeth when you chew them, but it's amazing. So first thing you're going to do, of course, is open the mochi. You can just put it directly in the air fryer. I know this looks gross, but whatever, it's just oil that dripped down there. But I cut a piece of parchment paper, so I already did this once. So let me open this up and I'll show you. Alright, so you get the mochi and you just drop it on there. You might want a bigger piece because it will kind of flatten out and spread out. But that's how I do it. Get in there. Alright, we'll turn it on. I just set it to the max temperature and then I start it. And you don't have to preheat it or anything. I just put it in when it's already cold, warm, it doesn't matter. But you do want to keep an eye on it. It's probably going to take like 10 minutes. But last time I let it heat up before I did it, so I'm probably only going to do 8. But depending on your air fryer, your settings will probably vary. I just check it every few minutes and see if it's turning like a golden brown color. So it'll turn like that orangey brown, light colored of melted sugar, or how you see on like cakes and things like that. Or yeah, so you just let it keep cooking, and I'll show you guys in a bit when it changes color. So yep, see you guys. Alright, so I had a customer just come, so but let's see, it's still cooking. So here you can see it's turning a bit brown, and yeah, we're gonna let it go a bit longer. So it's been about 4 or 5 minutes, I think, because the timer's showing 4 minutes on there. And yep, we'll let it go a bit longer. Alright, see you guys in a bit. If you want, you can flip it over, but if you like more of a chew as well, you can leave it like that, so that way the bottom won't get cooked. But yeah, we'll let it go a bit longer. See you guys in a bit. It's only a few seconds left. Alright, and that's what it looks like now. If you want, you can take it out earlier, or you can let it go longer, depending how you want it. Right now, if you look at it, it's very mushy, but we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the difference. Alright, I'll see you guys after 10 minutes. Well, I had a customer come to pick up their computer, and then we were talking about the cats, but here you can see it's more solid now. Usually you want to eat it right away. Here you can see it's still a bit soft, but the top is more solid. Here you can actually, I don't know if you can hear it, the crispiness. Alright, let me bite this and let you hear. Okay, and it looks like that. So basically it turns into like a mochi cookie, but yeah, it's really delicious when you eat it warm. So yep, give it a try. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.